Hi, my name's Fred Adams from Stencil-Tech Concrete, and today I'm going to be walking you through one of our latest projects for Hinchingbrooke School. We were originally approached by a representative of Hinchingbrooke School to create a beautiful new lunch area for the children, something that had to be low maintenance, easy to maintain, easy to clean, and something that was going to stand the test of time. So the Stencil-Tech system was the obvious choice for the project. One of our clients' main concerns, as this area was going to be used as a lunch area for the children, was the actual non-slip aspect, as spilt drinks would be a common occurrence, so grip was key. So our spray-on system was ideal, as it's used for reducing stopping distances on highways, and for high foot traffic areas, it is the perfect solution. As this area would be used constantly throughout school hours, maintenance was a huge factor that had to be overcome, as to be able to come back, remove weeds from block paving or re-level blocks would not be possible. So the maintenance-free factors of the patterned concrete system was a real draw for our client. So the Stencil-Tech system, with its specification of 4 inches of hardcore, 4 inches of fibre mesh reinforced concrete, will not be prone to weeds or sinking, will take 28 tonnes in weight, so it was an obvious choice for our client that needed a maintenance-free solution for a very high foot traffic area. Now, of course, with any commercial or residential application, maintenance-free and durability factors are very important, but thanks to the decorative concrete's many variations in patterns and colours that can be achieved, the beauty of this product is second to none. We can replicate designs that look like cobbles, granite sets, York stone, tiles, anything that can be achieved in natural stone can be replicated with patterned concrete. But the main factors of maintenance free at its key point, the system is second to none. Once 2 coats of our acrylic resin sealer is applied to the surface, it will be able to withstand oil stains, UV rays and salt damage, while also giving the colour a beautiful, vibrant look. Thanks for staying tuned through this video, and I hope you enjoy the finished result.